Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HP04. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Many users report their Dyson HP04 making a strange noise, which can be quite concerning. This issue often arises from a faulty motor or a blockage within the device. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, potentially resulting in costly repairs down the line. To tackle this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and some replacement components, which you can find online or at a local store. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the Dyson HP04. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the back panel is off, you will see the motor and other internal components. The component that typically fails is the motor, which can be identified by its unusual wear or damage. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor, taking note of their arrangement for reinstallation. Once everything is disconnected, use the pliers to carefully extract the faulty motor from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components while doing this. Install the new motor by reversing the extraction process, ensuring all connections are secure. When reattaching the back panel, make sure to align it properly and replace the screws with a firm but gentle force to avoid stripping them. After everything is back in place, plug the device in and turn it on to check if the noise has stopped. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the device. Keeping your Dyson HP04 well maintained will prolong its lifespan and efficiency. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.